Welcome to the shimmering world of glitter, where everything sparkles, and yes, sometimes everything is a mess. Fear not, for we're about to unveil the secrets of using glitter without turning your craft corner into a disco ball. Well, unless you are into that. First, the sticky situation applying glitter. For large areas, ditch the glue bottle, my friends. A clear, drying adhesive spray is your new best friend. Place your project in a large cardboard box and spray in there. It's precise, it's neat, and it makes your glitter stick like a charm and look beautifully even. Working on a medium project, apply glue with a paintbrush in a smooth, even coat. For tiny areas, put your glue in a precision tip bottle. You'll be able to do lettering designs and more. Now, let's talk glitter management. Ever heard of the tray trick? Lay your project on a cafeteria or old baking tray before you start, or use a large sheet of paper. Any stray glitter will be caught, and you can easily funnel it back into the bottle. No waste, no mess. For those of you who love the sparkle but not the spread, glitter paint has got your back. It's glitter, it's paint, it's a 2-in-1 miracle. And don't forget, you can always go the ultra safe sparkle route and use glitter markers, glitter cardstock, or glitter varnish. Have you considered the glitter vacuum? A cute mini handheld vacuum can be a lifesaver. It's like a glitter magnet, and your carpet will thank you. Another idea, use a lint roller to pick up any stray glitter. So there you have it. The glitter life doesn't have to be a glitter mess. Let your creativity sparkle. And remember, in the world of crafts, there's no such thing as too much shine. Shimmer on, my friends. Visit craftychica.com for more glitter projects to make. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. Happy crafting!